Do you have an Amazon store? Do you have an Walmart store? And are you from USA? Then I'm offering you a $1 million business. Hello everyone, this is Shafin Afnan, founder of Ruler IT. In this video, I'm going to show you how you will make a $1 million business within a year in Amazon and Walmart by doing two-step dropshipping. Yes, this is a $1 million business and we are doing dropshipping in Amazon and Walmart by using a 3PL or warehouse. By doing this business, more than 100 clients are happy with Ruler IT. We are purchasing items from suppliers and we are keeping them in a warehouse for a few days until sold, and after getting orders from customers, we are delivering to the customer house from our warehouse. The big thing is no suspension and long-lasting business in this business model. Normally, Amazon suspends a lot their accounts because of dropshipping policy violation, but in this business model, there is no suspension, and if we get any suspension, we have the lawyer panel. What do you need to start the business? First of all, you need an Amazon account which is based on USA marketplace. Second one, you need a warehouse or 3PL. You can use our own 3PL which is in Florida right now, where we keep our items until sold. And the last one, you need minimum $5,000 budget to start the business. If we have more budget, we can make more money. And we will set up the supplier site for you from where we will purchase. And the last thing is why you will choose us. Point number one, we have the cheapest shipping level. We have the biggest deal with UPS, USPS and FedEx, where we can cut shipping level up to 50 LB items only $5, where you have to buy $10 shipping level, $15 shipping level, $20 shipping level, but we can buy those levels in only $5. And you will get 100% proper store management as well as inventory management. We are using a software for the proper inventory management where you can see all of the inventories transparently. The final thing is we will do everything and you will just monitor it. So what do you think? If you are interested, then kindly click the send message button or call me at WhatsApp. My number is +88 0176 1971 824. So let's discuss about the $1 million business.